Creating a virtual device in Android Studio. To create a virtual device, let's go to this option. So here you can see the list of all the devices. Either it is the real device or the virtual device. So I have already created the Pixel 2 API 29. So this is virtual device. To create a new one, go to AVD Manager. It stands for Android Virtual Device. Click on it. So this is I have already created. To create a new one, click on Create Virtual Device. Since we are developing our application for phone, click on phone and I will choose option 5-inch. Click on next. Here you will going to see the different Android version you can set in your virtual device. For this, first you need to download the Android image. So I have already downloaded the Android Q. So I'm using the same for my next virtual device. Click on next. Then I will going to give a name virtual device 2 and click on finish. So our virtual device is created now. Now we can launch it from here. And here you can see our virtual device is created.